river, and it flows from deep within. There is a fountain that frees the soul from sin. Come to this water, and there is so vast supply. There is a river that never shall run dry. Then there was the thirsty woman. She was drawing from a well. Oh, you see her life, it was ruined and then wasted, and her soul was bound for him. Oh, but then she met the master, and he told her all her sins. Then he said, if you just drink this water, you'll never thirst again. And there is a river, and it flows from deep within. There is a fountain that frees the soul from sin. Oh, come to this water, and there is a vast supply. There is a river that